Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Realm of the Mad God on your phone. First, understand that RotMG is a PC-exclusive game, so direct mobile versions do not exist. To play on your phone, you'll need to use specific third-party solutions that essentially stream the game from your computer to your mobile device. This guide will walk you through the best options available. One popular approach involves remote desktop applications. Apps like Steam Link or Moonlight allow you to stream your entire PC desktop, or just the game, directly to your phone. Ensure your computer is running and the game is open. A strong, stable internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is essential for minimizing latency and ensuring a playable experience. Another excellent option is using cloud gaming services. Platforms such as GeForce Now or Shadow PC allow you to play RotMG without needing your own powerful computer. They stream the game from their high-end servers directly to your phone. This method often provides a smoother experience, especially if your home PC isn't top tier, though a subscription fee is typically involved. To optimize your mobile RotMG experience, adjust the in-game graphics settings to lower values for smoother performance. Consider connecting a Bluetooth controller for more precise movement in combat, as touch controls can be challenging. Remember to take breaks and stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your adventures in the realm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.